Docthub Enterprise Account Setup. Setting up your Docthub Enterprise account is quick and easy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, visit docthub.com and click on For Organization from the top navigation menu to get started. Next, fill in your organization's details, including your company name, work email address, contact number, and any other required information. Once everything is complete, click on Submit. You'll receive a one-time password, or OTP, on your registered contact. Enter the 6-digit OTP to verify your account. After verification, complete your personal profile by entering your name, designation, and creating your login credentials. Then click on Submit to finish the registration process. That's it! Your Docthub Enterprise account is now ready to use. You can access the Enterprise dashboard and start managing your organization's healthcare, hiring, and workforce solutions with ease. Explore features like job posting, candidate management, analytics, and much more, all from one powerful platform. Get started today at docthub.com and bring your organization onto Docthub.